Hello again, this is Roland with Totally Websites, and in today's video, we're going to actually go buy a domain. I'm going to check out a place where I like to look for domains, expired maybe, or how we research a new domain, and then going to purchase it. We're going to change the name servers. We're going to add it to a hosting account and get WordPress installed. So that's all coming up. You don't want to miss a step, or else you'll miss a step. Let's get to it. Okay, so here we are. We're going to start with finding a domain name. Now, of course, I've already got one picked out because I wanted to save a little bit of time here. But GoDaddy, you can always search for them. You can go to Google and we can start, today's example, let's choose something in the crypto space because it's so relevant. You can start by searching and, each time you bring up another, letter, you can kind of see what's going on, or a space. Say I want to do something with news. Oh, okay, cool. News is here. Let's see what the options look like. Say, all right, so a little bit of research. I'm not going to get too much into the SEO aspect of this. Maybe you already have your business name. If this is, this is something more affiliate marketing based I'm covering right now. But let's say that you have your business name, okay, and you want to, go to GoDaddy and register it. All right, so there you go. You type that in and we'd go. One of the places I do like to look at, though, is expireddomains.net. And it's a great place to just kind of let you have, put in a little word here. We hit search, and it goes out and it finds all the expired domains that are available, whether they're .coms, nets, orgs, etc. If they're on the deleted list, are they available? And it gives you the opportunity to purchase right here. Now, I will say a little bit of word of caution here. You can sort by backlinks, and sometimes you'll find domain names with backlinks in the, under a dozen, or some are in the thousands or hundreds of thousands. So what I will say is that you want to be careful if you use this tool for anything within the world of affiliate marketing or something that around your business or whatever, because it could be a domain that has been spammed. And in which case, especially if you're going to use it in the world of affiliate marketing, you are going to be hard pressed to make anything like that domain, because Google and the big ones of, it's got a high spam flag and it's not going to work for you. So a little bit of word caution on using this tool, but it is a great spot to give you an idea for other variations of your name. And it's just one of many tools out there. So anyway, so that's just the tool that I use to find expired domains. So let's jump over to Name Silo today. And like I said, I've already got one picked out. Let's see what we got. Let's search it up. Let's see. Oh, thanks, Name Silo. I'm going to do this twice for you. Okay, great. Appreciate you too, buddy. And all right, so again, I knew that this was available, so mainstreamcryptonews.com. We're going to go ahead and add it to our account, or add it to our cart. And we're going to check out. Hey, look at that, $9.95. Here we go. Just a basic checkout. I'm not looking for any premium DNS. I'm not looking for hosting, any of that stuff. So here we go. May have to filter out some of this, so hold on. I'll be right back. Here we are. We're back. We've got through that. We've paid for it. And now we're going to jump in here. And here's my new domain. We are going to enter the name servers, okay? And in this case, I happen to know we're going to put them over on our 5 cloud hosting spot, which is, where are you? Right here. Yes, I copy and paste so that I don't make a mistake. Thankfully, I can do this and only have to change one number. So how about that? And and that's not it. So we're going to save this. We're going to confirm it. Yes, yes, yes. We're going to save and complete. All right. So there's our stuff, and we're good to go. Now, next up is we want to take that domain and we are going to put it in here. We're going to see nothing is coming up, of course. So then we're going to jump over to our hosting account. This could be whatever you have. This is for one of my primary business accounts. So it's with Five Cloud Hosting. These guys are phenomenal, in my opinion. They have been nothing but phenomenal since we've started. We had a small hiccup with some allocation of database stuff. They were on it within a couple days and had my sites back up and running in no time, so it was fantastic. Anyways, so we're going to go to add a domain. We are going to create this domain. Oops. There is no sub. That's where I want it. And yes. So as you can see, sometimes the stuff goes through. And again, this is a cPanel interface. This is pretty similar for a lot of, your HostGators, your Bluehost, things, your A2. A lot of these guys use cPanel. It's just the way that we run on things nowadays. And I'm not going to be able to zoom down here too much, or may have to block out some of your screen so that you're not seeing, all the projects that we have. There you go. I don't want to do anything with File Manager. I don't care about any of that. So here we go. Now what I want to do is I want to go back, and again, these guys in their cPanel, we're going to come down here. We're going to do WordPress because that's what I'm going to put on it. I'm going to install now. I'm going to choose my domain. Make sure that I'm on my HTTPS. You will see this little error up top right here because it literally just got added. So it doesn't, it's going to take a little bit for that to actually kick in. Make a quick couple of changes. Admin, I'll change this after so we don't have to worry about that. Admin email, I'm going to do info. And then, of course, I just leave a default theme. I don't care about that. But I always put my base email just so that I can have a copy of it in case there's any information or anything's wrong with this setup and whatnot. And then I'm going to hit install. So it's going to take a few minutes. It says 3 to 4. This will be very quick though on average, and there you have it. So this information, it's all set up. Now if we click on this, we're going to notice that it's not going to come up because the DNS servers typically take a little bit to update. Sometimes it's 15, 20 minutes. Sometimes it's half the day. So don't be alarmed. That's not uncommon. This is going to happen no matter where your hosts are. Wherever your domains are set and whatever. I will say that GoDaddy has, for the most part, been the quickest to update in this scenario. But anyways, so there is that. So let's jump back over here to Cloud Hosting. We're going to go to email accounts. We're going to create a new account. Oops, where are you? There's my crypto. I'm going to do info. I can go ahead and generate. I'll change it after. And boom, created. So as you can see, this is like super fast. So it's just crazy to me how awesome this is. Um, so anyway, so there's that information. And next up will be the actual, waiting for this to come live so that we can actually get in and edit it. So I will come back in a little bit and bring you up to speed when that is actually live. All right, so here we are again. We can now see that the theme is updated, our site is updated. And what I've done is I've gone in and added a theme, our standard affiliate theme, which gives us this basic look here. So that is it, essentially. We have our pages and our posts now that we can go through. We want to edit those. We want to make sure that the content there is relevant, and we can start building out our post and growing the site's content. On top of that, just as a little quick bonus, I figured we'd jump over here to Canva and just create a quick little logo, which I started to do, and I was like, you know what, this would be maybe worth the time to do it as well. So I've just grabbed this one little mask here of a computer and a photo that I thought was good. Greatest thing about Canva is you can actually, this is literally drag and drop stuff here. So we can make this look like this. We can do crypto news, mainstream, investment and trading. And let's bring this to the edge. And how are we looking here? Let's see. Let's middle that good. We are good on this. And just like that, we can have a logo. So let's go ahead and we'll do a transparent background on this. It's 240 by 60. That I know because within our site we have a set amount of area, a set amount of space that's allocated typically for that. So now what we can do is we can come in here to Customizer. We can go to Theme Settings. Our logo we can select, and then we can drag it right in here. Hit yes, and away we go. Now it's a little size down just because I think of the upload and how quick I just did that. That'll probably refresh. If not, then I'll just have to resize that, make that a little bit bigger, and go from there. So of course we can change the root color, so that it's blue or whatever colors we want in there as well. But that is the gist of getting your WordPress site or your website online with WordPress. All right, I hope that video was helpful. As always, if you have any specific questions, please leave them in the comments below. We will be happy to answer those as soon as possible. And remember, you're not on this journey alone. Until next time, take care.